Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pro Tools for video score export in stems, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Pro Tools for video score export in stems, begin by launching Pro Tools on your computer. Once Pro Tools is open, navigate to the top menu and select Setup. In the drop-down menu, click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, locate the Playback tab. Under the Playback tab, find the section labeled Video. Make sure the option for Video Engine is set to Enabled. Next, close the Preferences window. Now, go to the window menu at the top. Select Video and then choose Video Window. This will display the video track you are working with. Import your video file by dragging it into the session or using the Import option. Once your video is in the session, ensure that it is properly synced with your audio tracks. Now, navigate to the File menu again. Select Export and then choose Final Mix. In the Export window, check the box for Include Audio Stems. Next, locate the option for Format and choose the appropriate bit depth and sample rate for your project. Before exporting, verify that your audio tracks are properly labeled. Click the Export button to start the process. Pro Tools will now render the video score and audio stems based on your settings. Once the export is complete, check the designated folder for your files. You have successfully activated Pro Tools for video score export in stems. Review your exported files to ensure everything is correct. Proceed with any additional editing or mixing as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.